Please listen carefully. Red blood and white blood. Let me give you an example of the difference between red and white blood. Imagine two brothers start a business together. The older brother says in the background while the younger brother does all the hard and risky work. He takes the risk, works day and night, brings the money, keeps it safe, and then invests it to make more money. From the very beginning, the older brother keeps telling him, please listen to me. Whatever we make will belong to both of us. It will be ours. The younger brother trusted him. He is not greedy. Point be noted. He keeps working hard because he believes that whatever they are building is for both brothers. But as time passes and the business becomes successful, the older brother slowly started putting everything in his own name. The younger brother says, quite because he respects his older brother and trusts him. There is only one thing he finally speaks about their house. They had built that house together with one promise that it would never be sold or given to anyone. It was their family home, it was their honor, it was the place they would live in together. But the older brother becomes so greedy that he puts the house in his own name too. The younger brother simply asks, brother, we built this house to live in together. Why are you putting this in your own name? The older brother replies, this is my money and my children have right to it. Oh, so sad. And that is where everything becomes clear. The older brother considers his children his own blood, even though they did nothing to build that business. But the brother who worked with him took risks, worked day and night, and trusted him completely, suddenly becomes nothing. His blood becomes white. How painful is that? How painful is that? How painful is that? Both brothers have the same blood. Please point be noted, they grew up the same home. They share the same parents, but greed can make a person forget all of that. Forget all of that. So sad. The brother who trusted you, worked for you, and helped you turn money into more money. You used him, betrayed his trust, and took everything for yourself. And then you say that your children have the right to everything. This is not justice. This is not justice. Blood should never become red for some people and white for others. How is it possible? If someone stood beside you in your difficult times, worked hard with you and trusted you, then you owe that person honestly and justice. Please point be noted, never let greed destroy the relationship that once built everything with you. Once built everything with you. Please never let greed destroy that. Destroy the relationship that once built everything with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Thanks a lot.